HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Right now let's find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's just simply use some thumper tag or special eject tool to open the slot. Here I have the special tool. Let's just press it. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. So let me do it. Alright, and here you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me start with that one. This is the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, let me do it again, sorry. And here you can also insert the second Nano SIM card if you would like to. You have to do it that way with the characteristic edge right here. Or you can insert here the microSD. In my case, let me use the microSD with the characteristic edge right here. And this is the properly prepared tray that you can use. As you may notice, my device accidentally switched on. I just accidentally pressed the power key, so let me power off the phone again to make sure that everything is alright. And now let's put the whole thing into your device right here. Let's press it to the end. Now we are ready. Let's press power key to switch on the smartphone. Keep holding power button. Wait until the HUAWEI will be turned on. Alright, let's unlock the screen. As you can see, dual SIM settings pops up. The device is reading our first SIM, so it's a good sign. Let me leave it. And now let's find and select the settings. So here I have settings. Scroll down and simply find and select storage. As you can see, the device is reading our SD card, our portable storage, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.